Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about DAX function, that is TOPN as well as RANKX function. So in this video, we're going to discuss both the functions and how to do the drill through also we are going to see in today's video. So please try to watch my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on what I'm talking on today's video. Let's go to the Power BI desktop, there we can understand the demo. So for timing, I have already prepared a report for today's demo purpose. So I'm going to explain step by step so what are things I have done for creating this report and all. So before getting into the details, let me explain so what kind of tables I have imported into this Power BI desktop. Okay, customer table and geography, product table, sales territory and category, subcategory, fact internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to look into the model. So within the model, so what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So we'll try to look into that also. So go to the model tab. So here we can see the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So if you look at here, so I'm trying to zoom it so that we can see everything in a one, no need to scroll down. So if you look at here, so this is the dimension, these are the dimension tables. So, okay, so these dimension tables are connected to the fact table by using the relationship. So here, so from dim product and fact internet sales, we have established to product key. So it's like a one direction to the main direction. So the filter propagation has been flowing from one direction to this direction. Even if you notice here, the symbol also, the direction of the symbol also, we can see clearly how the filter propagation has been done. Okay, so in going forward, I'll try to record a separate video on this topic so that time I'll try to speak on more on this topic. So for timing, we'll try to focus on the report tab. Okay, go to here. So here, if you look at here, so this is the top 10 product wise sales. This is the list product sales top 10. Okay, based on the top 5 selection, automatically this is changing. For example, if you look at here, I have created a separate table for this displaying top 5, 7, 10, 12 like that. So I'll try to take that also. So go to the rank table here. So based on the top 5 means 5, 7 means 7. So I have created a separate table for selection, the rank selection. Okay, based on the selection automatically, so we are going to see the top 5 products in descending order as well as ascending order, and this is the total top 10 sales in ascending order. This is the total products, top 10 products in descending order. So these are the number of transactions. This is the overall sales, total sales. Or these are the ascending, descending, top sales, but this is the overall sales, and these are the number of transactions that are available within the fact table. Okay, so basically based on the selection, automatically we can able to see the top 5 products in descending order as well as ascending order. For example, if I click on top 5, so automatically we can see that top 7, top 10, top 12. Okay, top 10 products, 5 products. Even we can slice the data if you want to see specific in this date period. For example, I want to see from 2002 to 2003. In between, I want to see the top 5 products. Even you can use this option also. We can slice the data and we can see the top 5 products or 7 products, 10. So like that we can visualize up to the requirement also. So I'll try to explain this what kind of measures I have created to create this report and all. So first one is and make total sales. So I'll try to zoom it so that you can see visible clearly. So here, so what are the selection I am doing? So I'm trying to capture into the variable. So after that I'm giving the RANKX function for descending order based on the product name as well as total sales. And and also I'm checking if the total sales are blank, give the blank, otherwise give the rank sales. And also if the ranks less than or equal to whatever the selection, it means that if we select 5 means give the top 5 product sales, otherwise give the blank. So this is the expression I have written to fetch the dynamic top sales in descending order. But when it comes to ascending order, so here we need to perform some tricky thing. It means that so here I'm just filtering the data before RANKX has to be generated each product wise, because there are cases that we don't have sales some products in ascending order. So that is the reason I'm just filtering the data before ranking has to be generated for each product wise in ascending order. Okay, after that I'm doing the based on the selection. If it is selection less than or equal to 10, it means that 5 10. So based on that I'm just generating the total sale. If it is not, I'm giving the showing the blank. Okay, like that. So these two have designed. So this is the top 10. Okay, by using the top 10 function I'm just calculating the sum of these entire product sales. This is entire this product sales. So I'll try to show that in measure also. So if you look at here, so based on the selection I'm just taking the top n product sales and finally calculating the total sales. So this is the top 10 sales in descending order. But when it comes to this one, in ascending order, top 10 sales, I mean top 10 means based on the selection top n, we can call it as top n, and taking the rank X selection and also filter the data. So whatever the products we have sales, only take those product sales and give the total sales. Okay, so this is the counters function I have used to get the total number of transactions that is happen within the fact table. But this is comes to the overall sales. Okay, so based on the selection, automatically we are just getting the top records in ascending order, descending order. Okay, but so we can call it as a, this is there are some cases I want to see the this detail information for this product. I want to see the detail information. So for that I have created some kind of page drill through. If I click here, automatically we are going to the detail page. We are going to see detail information for the respective product. So how we do that? So I'm using drill through option by clicking right click. So go to the drill through. So this is the different page. If I click here, automatically we are navigating to the different page. Here we can see the detailed information about that product, because just now we have clicked on this product. So for this product, what are the number of transactions, what is the sales amount, and also we can see each country wise, each year wise, what is the total sales. Okay, we can see the detailed information, and also we can see so occupation type, how many females, males. So okay, professional, clinical, manual. So and also we can take the whatever the filters we have been applied there, same filters we are getting here also, so that we can clearly understand for this time period. So this is the detailed information for this respective product. And also if you want to switch back, so just control plus click, automatically we are traveling to the main page. So instead of detail page, even we can check this one also, just right click, drill through, so detail information. So we are getting, so for this product, so this number of transactions happen, this is the total sales, each year and country base, and also occupation type, what are the males and females. So likewise, so we can analyze from master page to the detail page. And also if you want, we can see any product. If you want to know the detailed information, like we can add whatever we want, we can add it here also. So that's fine, no problem. So likewise you can understand drill through from master summary level to the detailed information. We can create a report like this. So whatever the information we want to capture for this respective product, we can design it here. Okay, So for this product transaction sales, each country wise, this is occupation type, males, females, what are the filters have been applied at summary level. Same thing I'm keep it in here also, so that we can clearly understand and study the data, so that we can take a better decisions how the business growth is happening. And so we can do some kind of analysis on this. So if you want to switch back again, we'll back to this main product information. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email, drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching.